Have you ever pondered the question, do multiple universes exist? Welcome to the captivating world of the multiverse, a theoretical concept that proposes the existence of not just one, but multiple universes. This mind-boggling idea isn't the product of wild imagination, but is born from the womb of scientific theories and philosophical considerations. It dares us to think beyond our observable universe, opening up a realm of infinite possibilities. So, fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the different interpretations and theories of the multiverse. Imagine numerous bubble or pocket universes, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. This is the cosmological multiverse theory's proposal. It suggests a grander cosmos, an inflating multiverse, where new universes are ceaselessly born. Each universe is like a bubble, floating in an endless cosmic sea, each governed by its own unique set of rules. It's like an infinite cosmic patchwork quilt, with each patch being a different universe. But this is just one theory. Quantum mechanics offers a different perspective. According to quantum mechanics, every quantum event results in a branching of the universe. This is the many worlds interpretation, a theory that dares to suggest the existence of countless parallel universes. Each of these universes represents a different outcome of a quantum event. Imagine flipping a coin. In one universe it lands heads, in another it lands tails. Every possibility is realized somewhere in the infinite labyrinth of reality. Yet, there are theories that suggest even more exotic possibilities. In the realm of physics, there's a theory suggesting that the building blocks of the universe are tiny, vibrating strings. This is what we call string theory. It proposes that these minuscule strings are the fundamental components of everything around us, replacing the conventional idea of particles. Some versions of string theory even suggest the existence of extra-spatial dimensions and parallel worlds, known as brane worlds. Each of these worlds could have its own unique physical properties, potentially leading to a multiverse teeming with diverse realities. Now, let's introduce the anthropic principle. This principle suggests that the properties of our universe are finely tuned to allow for the existence of life. In a multiverse scenario, this principle could be explained by the idea that our universe is just one among many, each with varying constants. These theories push the boundaries of our understanding, yet the multiverse concept extends even further. Our universe could just be one bubble in a vast cosmic foam, or even a computer-generated simulation. This idea stems from the bubble multiverse theory, which suggests that our universe is but one bubble among countless others, each with its own unique set of physical laws and conditions. Then there's the simulation hypothesis. This theory proposes that our reality isn't a tangible universe at all, but rather a sophisticated digital simulation. If this is the case, each simulation could represent a different universe, adding yet another layer to the multiverse concept. Of course, it's impossible to discuss multiverse theories without acknowledging their prevalence in fiction. Science fiction literature, films, and television series often toy with the concept of parallel universes. They delve into fascinating narratives of individuals encountering different versions of themselves, providing a creative exploration of the multiverse concept. Intriguing as these theories are, they are not without criticisms and challenges. The multiverse concept, while fascinating, is highly speculative and lacks direct observational evidence. Critics often argue that this concept straddles the boundary between empirical science and metaphysics, a realm where ideas are not easily testable or verifiable. The challenges in testing the existence of other universes are indeed formidable. Our current technology and observational capabilities are not yet advanced enough to pierce the veil of our own universe, let alone explore the potential infinity of other universes. Some critics even question whether it is scientifically meaningful to talk about realms that we can never hope to observe. Yet, the multiverse concept continues to captivate the scientific and philosophical communities. It sparks lively debates and stimulates creative thought experiments. It pushes the boundaries of what we consider possible and challenges our understanding of reality. Despite the critiques, the exploration of the multiverse concept is far from over. As we delve deeper into the realms of quantum mechanics, string theory, and cosmology, we may stumble upon novel ways to test the multiverse theory, or discover new theories that supersede it. The future of the multiverse concept is uncertain, but it is undeniably exciting. It represents the epitome of human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of understanding the unknown. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of physics, the nature of the multiverse may become clearer, or perhaps even more complex and enigmatic.